In today's video, my dear viewers, I'm gonna be talking a lot about the liver. What are the main causes that you have problems with your liver, and also I'm gonna give you a solution about food, natural remedies that can help you detoxify your liver in the safe and natural way. Have you been struggling with the fatigue, belly fat, poor digestion, or hormonal imbalances? You might think it's a sugar, alcohol, or even stress. But the real enemy could be something you expose to every single day. Today we're diving into a silent epidemic affecting millions, hidden estrogen-like toxins that are damaging your liver and silently disrupting your hormones. Let's uncover what those chemicals are, how they affect your body, and most importantly, how you fight back naturally, starting with your diet. So in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit more about those hidden toxins in everyday food and how we get them in our body. And of course, we will try to find solution for those kind of problems. What's really damaging your liver? When the most people hear liver detox, they think of alcohol or processed foods. But one of the biggest threats to our liver health today doesn't come from your plate, it comes from your environment. We are talking about xenoestrogens, synthetic man-made chemicals that mimic estrogen in your body. They're found in pesticide, herbicide, plastic, cleaning products, personal care items, and even in the lining of canned food. Those compounds are something referred to forever chemicals because they don't easily break down and they can accumulate in our body over the time. This is the main factor why a lot of people have this kind of liver problems, especially in the last, I believe, 20 years or more. How xenoestrogens hijack your hormones? Your body cells have estrogen receptors that are highly sensitive to hormonal changes. Those receptors are designed to respond to your natural estrogen levels, but xenoestrogens can fit into these receptors and activate them, tricking your body into thinking that it's too much estrogen. This creates a condition known as estrogen dominance, and it don't just affect the woman. Estrogen dominance can slow down bile production in the liver, making it harder for your body to eliminate toxins, lead to fatty liver, liver inflammation and hormonal imbalances, increases risk of breast cancer, especially due to overstimulation of breast tissue receptors. Of course, they cause fertility issues and disrupt the menstrual cycle, suppress thyroid functions leading to fatigue, weight gain and hypothyroidism, trigger acne, fat gain around the hips and even gynecomastia in the men, lower testosterone and sperm count in the males. Those chemicals are so powerful they've been shown to cause male fish to develop female traits in polluted lakes, and in humans they're contributing to early puberty in the girls and hormonal disorders in the boys. What you need to know, of course, is going to be that your liver can detoxify a lot of those chemicals, but unfortunately, if you accumulate them over the many months, over the many years, at certain point, liver cannot do a job of detoxifying those kind of chemicals, and we get a lot of trouble with our liver. Your liver is equipped with a detox system, but it can work properly when overloaded. When your liver isn't producing enough bile, toxins get recycled back into body instead of being eliminated. This leads to vicious cycle, more toxins, more hormonal disruption and greater strain on your liver. So what we can do, the liver cleaning those estrogen mimic toxins. This is a natural detox with the powerful cruciferous vegetables. The most effective and natural way to support your liver is through the class of vegetable called cruciferous vegetables. Those include broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, arugula, cauliflower, cabbage and radishes. Those vegetables are rich in compounds like sulforaphane and indole-3 carbinol, which can help your liver convert fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble ones, so they can be excreted more easily. One of the most potent natural compounds is DIM. D-dolymethane, found in cruciferous vegetables, helps balance estrogen levels, supports detox enzymes, and blocks the conversion of testosterone to estrogen, especially in men. If you don't like the taste or can eat enough cruciferous vegetables, you can buy DIM supplements. Are the concerted options, but food sources are always the great start. As always, when you try find some kind of supplement, it must be 100% pure product like this that is called DIM. Of course, try opt-in always with the good vegetables, but if you cannot, try find this kind of supplements. I believe it's gonna help you a lot, especially with your liver. Other liver supporting nutrients, along with the cruciferous vegetables, two other powerful nutrients can help your liver detox estrogenic toxins. First is going to be an NAC or N-acetylcysteine. Boosts glutathione in your body, master antioxidants, and protects liver cells. Second is going to be choline. Helps move fat out of the liver, preventing fatty disease liver. By adding those nutrients to your routine, you're not just protecting your liver, you are helping your whole endocrine system regaining balance. While it's nearly impossible to avoid all environmental estrogen toxins, you can reduce your exposure and strengthen your liver detox system. Here's what you can do starting today. Eat cruciferous vegetables at least a few times per week. Avoid plastics, especially in the food packaging and the water bottles. Use natural cleaning and personal care products. Consider supplementation like DIM on NAC or choline if needed. Support your gut with the fiber and fermented food and aid toxin elimination. And your liver is your body filter protected, and it will protect you, and it's going to be perfect for your everyday health. I believe in today's video you did receive a lot of new information about the liver and how you can help them. For more information about nutrition and natural remedies, below the video subscribe to Mario Lab channel, and every day you will receive this kind of videos, especially for your health and nutrition.